lived a starfish no one knew. She had 5 arms and sang all day, songs that made the dolphins play. She sang of shells and sandy shores, of treasure chests and ocean floors. Her voice was soft, her tune so sweet, it made the crabs tap all their feet. Sing, starfish, sing, the turtles cried, as jellyfish danced side to side. The octopus would twirl around to every note and every sound. From morning sun to evening light, she sang with joy so warm and bright. The sea was calm, the fish felt free, all thanks to her starfish melody. So if you swim and hear a song, just hum along and swim along. The starfish sings for me and you, beneath the waves so deep and blue.